When it comes to premium cards that offer exclusive lifestyle benefits, two of the big names that pop up are the American Express Platinum card, often called Amex Platinum, and Revolut Ultra. Both cards offer a high-end experience with perks in travel, lifestyle, and finance. However, they cater to different types of users and have unique offerings. In this comparison, we'll break down what each card offers and see which one might be a better fit for you. So let's dive into the world of premium cards and make this simple to understand. One of the first things people look at when choosing a premium card is the annual fee. For Amex Platinum, you're looking at an annual fee of around $695. On the other hand, Revolut Ultra offers an annual plan for £540, which is about $685. So when you compare the annual fees, both cards are priced similarly, but they differ significantly in what you get for your money. Amex Platinum is famous for its extensive travel benefits. You get access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide, thanks to the American Express Global Lounge Collection. On top of that, Amex Platinum offers a credit of $200 for airline fees, helping you cover costs like checked bags or in-flight purchases. Cardholders also get elite status with hotels such as Marriott and Hilton, which includes room upgrades, free breakfast, and late checkouts. If you love flying and staying in luxury hotels, Amex Platinum has a lot to offer. Revolut Ultra, on the other hand, also provides great travel perks, but it leans toward a more modern, tech-savvy traveler. With Revolut Ultra, you get unlimited access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide, just like Amex. However, Revolut also throws in 3 GB of global data per month through an eSIM, which can be incredibly handy if you travel frequently and need a reliable mobile connection. Additionally, Revolut Ultra provides cancel for any reason travel insurance, which allows you to claim up to £5,000 back for cancellations on flights, hotels, or events, giving you peace of mind when plans change unexpectedly. When it comes to earning points, Amex Platinum is tied to the American Express Membership Rewards program. You can earn 5 points for every dollar you spend on flights and hotels that are booked through Amex Travel, which makes it great for frequent travelers. These points can then be transferred to over 20 airline and hotel partners, giving you flexibility to use them for flights, upgrades, and stays. For everyday purchases, you earn 1 point per dollar spent, which is standard but not as exciting as the travel multipliers. Revolut Ultra, on the other hand, has a simpler point system called Rev Points. You earn 1 Rev Point for every pound you spend. While this might sound lower compared to the 5 points Amex offers for travel, it's easier to use these points for everyday purchases. On top of that, Revolut Ultra gives you a welcome bonus of 10,000 points when you sign up, which is a nice boost to start with. Although the rewards program isn't as complex or as flexible as Amex's, it's straightforward and can still help you save on your spending. Amex Platinum is well known for its luxury lifestyle benefits. One of the standout features is the $500 annual credit for dining, split across specific restaurants and food delivery services. You also get credits toward Equinox gyms and membership, so if you're into fitness, this could be a valuable perk. Another lifestyle feature is access to exclusive events and early tickets for concerts, theater shows, and sporting events through the Amex Experiences program. Revolut Ultra also shines in the lifestyle department, but its benefits are geared toward a more digital-savvy user. It offers access to a range of subscriptions that cover fitness, entertainment, and learning. For instance, you get a subscription to ClassPass with 20 credits per month for gym sessions or spa treatments. You also get a subscription to Masterclass, where you can learn from industry experts on a wide range of topics. Chess lovers can enjoy a premium subscription to chess.com, and fitness enthusiasts get access to Freeletics, a digital personal trainer. Additionally, you get unlimited free delivery on food orders through Deliveroo Plus, which can be a big saver if you regularly order takeout. In total, Revolut claims its lifestyle benefits are worth over £4,000 annually. If you're someone who is into investments, both Amex Platinum and Revolut Ultra have offerings in this area. Amex Platinum provides access to financial services like the ability to invest in stocks and bonds through its financial management platform. However, these services are more of an added extra rather than a core feature. Revolut Ultra, by contrast, focuses much more on investments. Revolut allows you to trade stocks with 10 commission-free trades per month, after which there is a very low fee of 0.12% or £1 minimum per trade. It's a great feature for someone who wants to dabble in the stock market without the heavy fees associated with traditional brokers. Revolut also provides access to commodities like gold, silver, and cryptocurrency, giving you a variety of assets to invest in. Another plus is that Revolut offers up to 4.75% annual interest on savings accounts, which is paid out daily. If you're looking for a card that also doubles as a strong financial tool, Revolut Ultra might have the edge here. Both cards offer excellent foreign currency exchange services. Amex Platinum allows you to make international purchases without foreign transaction fees, which can save you a lot of money if you frequently spend abroad. You also get access to Global Assist, which provides emergency assistance when traveling outside your home country. Revolut Ultra excels in this area, especially if you frequently move money between currencies. With Revolut Ultra, you can exchange money in over 29 currencies without additional fees, Monday to Friday. This is great if you have family overseas or regularly conduct international business. Additionally, Revolut Ultra gives you higher limits on ATM withdrawals, with a free withdrawal limit of £2,000 per month before any fees kick in. In comparison, Amex Platinum does not offer any specific perks for ATM withdrawals, and you might face higher fees when withdrawing cash abroad. When it comes to customer service, Amex Platinum is known for its premium support. You get access to 24/7 customer service, with dedicated teams to handle your queries quickly. Whether it's a question about your card or assistance during travel, Amex is often praised for its high level of service. Revolut Ultra also offers 24/7 customer support, but it is handled primarily through the app via live chat. While this can be convenient for tech-savvy users, it might not be as personal as the phone support Amex offers. However, Revolut Ultra does provide priority customer support, which means your queries are handled faster than on their standard plan. In summary, both Amex Platinum and Revolut Ultra are excellent premium cards that offer a lot of value, but they cater to slightly different audiences. Amex Platinum is perfect for those who love luxury travel and want top-tier rewards for flights and hotels. Its higher annual fee is justified if you frequently travel and take advantage of its many travel-related perks. Revolut Ultra, on the other hand, appeals to a more modern, digitally savvy user. Its focus on subscriptions, financial services, and currency exchange makes it a versatile card for people who not only travel, but also want to invest and manage money across multiple currencies. With a lower fee and a simpler point system, it's a great option for someone looking for a card that fits into a more tech-driven lifestyle. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.